Experiencing burnout is an awful thing. And if this has been going on for a while for you, you might be asking yourself, will this go on forever, or is this something that will just eventually pass and go away on its own? In this video, I want to try and answer the question why you might be experiencing burnout and whether or not it is likely that it will just go away. I want to say up front that burnout is not something to be treated lightly because it can have serious effects on your mental and physical health if it has not already damaged you to some extent. By the way, in case you are experiencing burnout, please let me know in the comments below how you are coping and what you are planning to do about it. It might help other people who are also watching this video. In case you're experiencing burnout, then at least you are not alone. According to a study done by Gallup on burnout in 2020, 76% of employees experience burnout on the job at least sometimes, while 7% always experience burnout. Only 4% never experience burnout, which is sadly a very small number. These 7% are people who I would say are chronically burned out because they are experiencing burnout almost all of the time. I want to briefly share with you that at some point in my life, I was among these 7% myself. When I first started my job in banking, I felt very excited and motivated. But after 2 years of very hard work and long hours working sometimes until 10, 11, or even midnight, I felt very tired and experienced burnout. It became worse and worse, which ended in me leaving the job after 5 years. And the reason why I didn't just leave my job earlier was because at that time I wasn't aware that experience of burnout would not just go away, but instead would become worse. I want to talk to you a bit more about this, and I hope that it can possibly help you to avoid becoming burnt out to a point where it might be very difficult to recover. This is, in my view, how many people become burnt out. People who are very driven, highly motivated, extremely hardworking, and willing to do anything for the job and perform above average. And they overexert themselves mentally as well as physically. They are grateful for the job they have and they want to do their very best. They want to definitely keep the job, want to get a promotion and a salary raise, but also want to prove themselves to their boss, themselves, and to their colleagues and the whole world that they are worthy of their job. But what they don't realize is that in the process, they are overexerting themselves too much. They eventually burn out because they are overexerting themselves for too long. Overexertion does not simply mean working hard. So this is what I mean by overexerting yourself. You are trying to cope with a totally unmanageable workload. And this is accompanied by unclear communication from your boss or management, or there might even be severe misalignment in the organization as a whole, which leaves you being pulled in many directions, not knowing what your real priorities are. You do not really have the support systems and the tools you need to carry out your job efficiently. And having a good support system does not mean that other people do the work for you. It doesn't mean it at all. It simply means that everyone is doing what they are supposed to do, that they are pulling their weight, that they are supporting each other and are working towards the same goal. But despite not having a good support system, you just carry on and do the best that you can. That is the type of person you are. So you carry twice, triple, or even 10 times the load. You also experience unreasonable time pressure. You are asked to do something within a time frame that is simply impossible, but nevertheless you take the deadline seriously and you strive to meet it, always. By the way, in case you can identify with this kind of situation, then please let me know by hitting the like button. And sure, you can always deal with this kind of situation for some time, for a few weeks or so. There are always times in life where you need to take on a higher than normal workload and you just need to get it done and plow through it. But the danger is if this kind of situation becomes a routine, if it's not a one-off but an ongoing thing. So you're not overexerting yourself one time for a month or a few weeks, but you're overexerting yourself over and over again. It means that you didn't have the chance to recover from one giant, messy, unresolved project yet, and you already have to continue and work on the next. And some people are really good and really relaxed at doing this, or perhaps they just seem to be. In any case, you need to know what kind of person you are. And now to the important question. Will this feeling of burnout just go away on its own? And I would say that it depends on what the root of the problem is and in how far you can tweak the situation. So let's look at these three scenarios. Number one is the case where you are burned out because of the demands of the job. The demands of the job are just unreasonable and too high, what we talked about earlier. You are overexerting yourself on a regular basis. This is the key to meet the demands of the job. And in this case, you have to ask yourself, is it likely that in the near future or in the medium term, at least, anything will change about the job or about the demands? Is the situation that is very demanding just a temporary situation that will not be going on for too long, or is it something that is permanent? Temporary, for example, would mean a one-time project or a one-time reorganization of the company. So you're very tired, burnt out, overexerted, but it's a one-off thing. After this is over, you'll be able to recover and things will kind of go back to normal. Or is this a permanent thing, meaning that not only are the demands high and are unrealistic, but they are getting higher and more unrealistic by the day? And in this case, it means that your burnout will definitely not go away, but on the contrary, it is likely to worsen. Scenario two is if you are experiencing a burnout because of something that is happening in your personal life. So the problem is not with the job or the demands of the job, because in general, it's quite manageable for most people. But what is happening is that you are facing a personal crisis in your life. It could be related to family matters or to your health. So you are experiencing burnout not as a direct result of your job, but of course, perhaps the demands of the job are not making it easier on you. So because of this personal problem you have that is unresolved, even the tiniest demand of the job that is put on you feels like gasoline being poured into the fire. In this case also, it is unlikely that the burnout will just disappear, so it is highly recommended that you seek help or you find a way to solve your personal problem as fast as possible, because if not, then this problem will spread out to other areas of your life. Scenario three is when you experience burnout as a result of an extreme mismatch between the job or career, the demands that it puts on you, and your personality. For example, the job demands you to sell products, to push them to the customer so that you can meet your sales target. And there is nothing wrong with that per se. But for some personalities, this can be very stressful. It just goes against their whole nature, the fact that they have to call up customers and try to sell products to them. The stress piles up day by day and it never gets resolved, and you don't really get support from other people because there are many people who don't really understand your situation, because looking at you, they're thinking, what's the big deal about it? It's just selling products. Why do you have such a big problem with it? And in fact, there are certain types of people who actually love this. They love calling up people, chatting them up and selling stuff to them. But this might not be you. This is not in line with your personality. And in this case, it is likely that the burnout will not go away, because the nature of the job requires you to sell stuff, while the nature of, well, you is just recoiling against the whole idea of it. It's like this sandcastle. It's a really nice and beautiful sandcastle, and the waves are not really doing anything wrong either, but the waves and the sandcastle just cannot coexist in the long term. Eventually, the waves will keep rolling and coming back again, and eventually the sandcastle will just be washed away to the ground. By the way, let me know in the comments below which situation of burnout you think you are facing and how you are planning to deal with it. In most cases, burnout will not just magically disappear. You need to actively change something about the circumstances if you want to improve the situation and avoid getting fully burnt out. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon.